Now look for it. Very simple but very technical chapter, circle. अभी तक circles जो आप लोगों ने पढ़ा था, that you have done basically regarding that you have done it in mensuration. Basically, what you have done circles in mensuration, like area of circle, circumference of circle, radius, diameter. These things you have done. What we have in our syllabus are actually the angular properties of circle. What do we have? Angular properties of circles. Like the very first property, and all these properties are without proofs. Without proofs, that is, the derivations will not come in the exam. You just have to focus on the result, and that's a very good thing for you. You just need to focus. You just need to learn how to use these results in the questions. Right. The very first property, the name of the property is degree measure property. The degree measure property states that the angle subtended. The word is subtended. That is made. So the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at the circumference. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at the circumference. Let me relate it to civics. Civics तो सबने पढ़ी है ना? Basically in India there are although different levels of government, but majorly अगर हम बात करें तो कौन से दो levels होंगे? Central state. Which ministers are like have more powers as compared central? They have more power, sure. Can we say they have got double power as compared to the state government? Almost. So what do you think at the center? State government or central government? Central government, that is angle AOB. So angle AOB is the angle made by this arc at the center. Angle AOB. The statement is the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by the same arc at the circumference. See, if this same arc is same, AB is making angle AOB at the center and angle ACB at the circumference. So it will be twice of angle ACB. Have you understood this property? इसकी प्रॉपर्टी को यूज कर हम बाकी आगे सारी प्रॉपर्टीज डिराइव करेंगे.
Sir, please explain again.
अभी तो मैं 2-3 बार और एक्सप्लेन करूंगा, डोंट वरी. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at the circumference. तो जो सेंटर पर एंगल होगा that will be the double of the angle which is at the circumference. But इसमें आपको ध्यान ये रखना है that the arc should be same. Angle AOB equal to twice of angle ACB. Arc will be same when the end points of the angles will be same. देखो जो एंगल जो ये दोनों फॉर्म हो रहे हैं, that is these two angles are formed by the arc AB. So angle AOB is double the angle of ACB. So if say for an example, if this is 120 degree, this angle will be 60 degree. If this is 80 degree, this will be. If this is 20 degree, this will be. Am I clear with this? The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by the circumference. एक बार बोल कर देखो अच्छा लगेगा. Try. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at the circumference. अब एक बार बिना रोके जल्दी से. बस एक बार और. The angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at the circumference. Clear? जल्दी से नोट करो. Next one. Second property is angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. What does this means? Any angle formed by the arc, that is angle in a semicircle, will this be on the circumference? Two points हो तो गए, एक ये circumference पर हो गया. What's the problem? Both ends of the diameter, then only it will be a semicircle. See, for a semicircle, it is mandatory that the chord should be a diameter. So if AOB, if AB is the diameter, then the diameter will subtend an angle of 90 degree at the circumference. Is it clear? Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. That means semicircle कब होगा? जब वो diameter होगा. तो जब भी जो कहीं पर भी अगर circumference पर कोई diameter angle form कर रहा है, so that will always be 90 degrees. So angle in a semicircle is always a right angle, right? इसको note करो. Property is angles in the same segment are equal. That is, the angles will be in the same segment. They will always be equal. अब same segment को कैसे identify करेंगे? Look carefully. A, B. This is C, this is D. ये डबल नहीं होगा इसका, है ना? Why not? Because both the angles are at the circumference. That is, दोनों state ministers हैं. दोनों की पार same होगा. Am I clear with it? First वाली property में one was at center, other one was at circumference. So angle at the center was double the angle at the circumference. Here both the angles are at the circumference, so they will be equal. So this simply means that angle ACB will be equal to angle ADB. Am I clear with it? अगर आप इसमें analyze करो, इसमें सबसे important है same segment. So the angles are in the same segment. Same segment means that they are formed by the same arc. Am I clear with it? Angle formed by the same arc at in the same direction. See, ACB and ADB. Both the angles are towards this side of the arc. So that is why they will be in the same segment. Angle ACB will be equal to angle ADB. Would you like to know why are they equal? See, both these angles, that is, they are formed by arc AB. If we take the center at O, AOB will be double of ACB, and AOB will also be double of ADB. Double of the same angle will be equal. Am I clear with it? So that is why angle ACB will be equal to angle ADB. In fact, not double, half of the same angle. Half of the same angle will be equal. If this is 60, this will be 30. If this is 60, this will also be 30. So half of the same angle will be definitely equal. What's the name of the property? This is opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Are supplementary. What's meant by supplementary? Supplementary means the sum is connected. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So first we need to understand what is a cyclic quadrilateral. A cyclic quadrilateral is the one whose four vertices lie on the circumference of a circle. Like this. Right? Understood? No, this is completely wrong. This is not a cyclic quadrilateral. As I said, the four vertices must lie on the circumference of a circle. Is it clear now? If all the four vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the circumference of a circle, it will be a cyclic quadrilateral, and the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That means angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle C is also equal to 180. Is it clear? So opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. देखो इसको use कैसे करेंगे? Like for example, this is 120. This will be 60. If this is 90, this will be. If this is 110, this will be. If this is 100, this will be. If this is 60, this will be. If this is 45, this will be. Clear to all? जल्दी से. हाँ जी, अब बताओ. That is, exterior angle property of a triangle was that if you reduce one side of a triangle, the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of these two angles. Like for example, if this is x, this is 2x, this will become 3x. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. This was in triangle. Exterior angle property of a cyclic quadrilateral is different. It states that the exterior angle so formed is actually equal to the interior opposite angle. It is not equal to sum. It is just equal to A, B, C, D. Is it a cyclic quadrilateral? Definitely yes. Why is it a cyclic quadrilateral? The four vertices lie on the circumference. Now, if we produce one of the sides, we produce this. The exterior angle so formed, this is the exterior angle, will be equal to the interior opposite angle. Am I clear with it? ट्राइंगल में दोनों के सम के इक्वल होता है, जो इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल्स होते हैं उन दोनों के सम के इक्वल होता है. यहाँ पर द एक्सटीरियर एंगल विल बी डायरेक्टली इक्वल टू द इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल. Am I clear with it? So this will be angle, let's take this as x. Angle CDX is equal to angle ABC. Am I clear with it? Angle CDX is equal to angle ABC. तो जो यहाँ पर जो वर्टेक्स पर है उसके ऑपोजिट वाला वर्टेक्स आपको बस देखना है. Angle CDX is equal to angle ABC. Am I clear with that? Please wait. Please wait. Equal chords or arcs, whether they are chords or arcs, subtend equal angles at the center and at circumference. If the chords are equal, their corresponding angles will be equal. Chords or arcs, if they are equal, their corresponding angles will be equal. To sum this up, ताकि हमें next property लिखनी ना पड़े, vice versa. What does this vice versa means here? If the angles are equal, their corresponding chords or arcs will also be equal. तो arc equal है तो angle equal, angle equal है तो arc equal, और chords equal है तो angle equal, angles equal है तो chords equal. Am I clear with it? As simple as this. If the chords are equal, chords or arcs are equal, angles will be equal. And which angles? At the circumference as well as at the center. Now look. What's this? लग रहा है थोड़ा बहुत. फिर एक गुरु मंत्र दूंगा मैं अभी आपको सर्कल्स करने के. Look. A, B and C, D. These are two equal arcs. Now, if these two equal chords, अगर chords equal तो arc तो automatically equal. So I'm focusing on the chords. If these two chords are equal, they will make equal angle at the center. So that means angle COD will be equal to angle AOB. Am I clear with it? So we can write if CD equal to AB, this implies that angle COD equal to angle AOB or vice versa. That is, if angles are equal, their corresponding chords will be equal. बस ये 6 property पूरे circles. If I say recording them,